make yourself comfortable. Good evening and welcome to Burbank First United Methodist Church. My name is Sam Kim, I'm the pastor here, and it's just a joy to welcome all of you to this night of worship. We're going to have a wonderful time. It's going to be filled with music and song, and they even let me have a few words in for the evening. And we will conclude with just a meaningful and peaceful time out in the courtyard, holding candles and celebrating the story that we all celebrate each and every year about this time, and that is the story of God coming to us in the form of Christ Jesus.